When it comes to life insurance, two names stand out: Northwestern Mutual and Haven Life. But which one really delivers? On one side, the trusted, time-tested Northwestern Mutual, and on the other, the modern, digital-first Haven Life. Let's go beyond the marketing and focus on what truly matters. We'll break things down category by category, and you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The winner may just surprise you. Before we get too deep, here's a quick snapshot, a mind map of all the categories we'll tackle: price, speed and accessibility, coverage options, financial strength, and customer experience. Stick around and trust me, by the end you'll see exactly where each shines, and where they, maybe not so much. So first up, price. Northwestern Mutual. Okay, these guys let you really customize policies, and if you go for whole life you might even get dividends. Sounds tempting, right? But fair warning, those premiums can be a bit steep, especially if you're eyeing permanent insurance. And the pricing, it's well not the most straightforward. Now Haven Life. Oh, and here's something cool: they're all about competitive rates, especially for term policies. It's all fully online, and for most folks that means cheaper, faster quotes. The catch? They don't even offer permanent insurance, so it's term or bust. Plus, if you're older, those rates climb quick. Still, between the two, Haven Life just nails it on affordability. Moving to speed and accessibility. Northwestern Mutual likes to do things the old-school way: lots of agent support if you've got complex needs, which is genuinely helpful, but be ready for a kinda slow, traditional process. You're making phone calls, sending emails, definitely not instant. Haven Life? Honestly, it's like night and day. You hop online, buy your policy in minutes, and sometimes you get instant approvals. Super smooth, but if you live in certain states, you might be out of luck because they don't offer everywhere yet. Even so, Haven Life runs circles around the old process here. Next up, coverage options, and oh, you feel the difference here. Northwestern Mutual serves up basically a buffet of choices: term, whole, universal life, and a bunch of riders so you can customize away. Nice, huh? Now, yes, you might have to do a medical exam, which can be a drag. Flip over to Haven Life and it's all about keeping it simple. You get term life with set options for 10, 15, 20, or 30 years. No permanent life, no customization, nothing fancy. Straightforward, but kind of limited if you're hoping to personalize your plan. This time, Northwestern Mutual takes the crown by a mile. Oh, random fact break: did you know the earliest life insurance policies go all the way back to ancient Rome? I mean, who knew those guys were so ahead of the game? Let's talk financial strength. Super important, right? Northwestern Mutual is like the old money of life insurance. Crazy high A++ ratings, 165 plus years in business, just solid stability. Sure, being a giant mutual company means they aren't super agile, but hey, you want reliability? There it is. Haven Life is no slouch. It's backed by MassMutual, which also has A++ ratings plus pretty strong recent financials. But it's newer and honestly a bit more reliant on that parent company. Still, Northwestern Mutual's long history just tips the scale here. And customer experience. Northwestern Mutual, all about that personal touch, agents, customized service, especially if your situation is like super complicated. The flip side is things move a bit slower because humans. Haven Life feels totally different: modern, all digital. You can manage everything online, which is just so much easier for a lot of people. But if you really want advice face-to-face, it might leave you wanting. Both are solid, but in totally different ways, so calling this one a tie. Now just picture this: a radar chart flashing up, giving you a quick visual on how Northwestern Mutual and Haven Life stack up in each category. Awesome if you're a numbers or charts kind of person. So bottom line, if you want loads of options and you care a ton about a company's financial legacy, yeah, Northwestern Mutual is your pick. But if you just want to get covered quick, keep things online, and pay less for term life, Haven Life is honestly super hard to beat. If you found this helpful, definitely hit subscribe so you don't miss the next comparison.